Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to force restart Samsung phone. So in a situation whereby your Samsung phone is hanging or it is not responding, maybe you are stuck at a particular application, you find it very hard to navigate away from the app. Now the only awaiting solution or the first troubleshooting solution you should take is to force restart your Samsung phone. So here basically I'm going to show you how you can easily force restart a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now what you want to do is you want to locate the power button and then the volume button. So the volume button could be on the right and at the same time it could be on the left. So once you can find where the volume button is, you want to press the volume down button and then the power button together at the same time. So you do this simultaneously. Otherwise, you'll not be able to restart your Samsung phone. Now to force restart your Samsung phone, not just the normal restart, press the volume down button and then the power button together at the same time using your two fingers. So let's go. 1, 2, go. So once you press and hold it, you're going to see this menu comes up. On the menu, do not press anything, just keep pressing the two buttons together and then you should see your Samsung phone turned off. Now once the Samsung logo appears again, then let's go the power button and then the volume down button. And what this does is it's going to force restart your Samsung phone instead of the normal restart you do. So in case where your Samsung phone screen is not responding or you are stuck, what you simply need to do to force restart your Samsung phone and clear the actual glitch that caused that is to just press the power button and then the volume down button together at the same time. So you need to do this at the same time, otherwise you'll not be able to force restart your Samsung phone. So you have to wait until your Samsung phone is completely turned on. This might take you up to 30 seconds or more. So once your Samsung phone is turned on, you will be prompted to type in your Samsung phone passcode for the first time, then swipe up on it and then type in your code, click on OK, and then you should say phone is starting. Once you say phone is starting, then you are good and your Samsung phone has been successfully forcefully restarted. So that is exactly how to force restart Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.